Dear student, we are in our chapter number first and in the NEET lecture number second. In last lecture, we discussed some concept about solid state. આજે આપણે આગળ સ્ટડી કરશું. So, radius ratio. We know positive ion always small than negative ion. So radius of positive ion and radius of negative ion and ratio of it, this one indicated by C for cation, A for anion, RC upon RA, એટલે કે radius positive ion upon radius of the negative ion ratio. This ratio gives some important information. If we know the radius ratio, then it gives coordination number and the shape of the ionic crystal. Yes, this formula is only applicable for the ionic compounds. My dear student, listen carefully. Whenever positive ion અને રેડિયસ નાન છે, નેગેટિવ આયનની રેડિયસ નાન છે, તો એનો જે રેશિયો લઈએ એના ઉપરથી આપણને ક્રિસ્ટલનો શેપ એન્ડ કોઓર્ડિનેશન નંબર means one positive radical is surrounded by how many negative radicals. That is called a coordination number. એટલે એક પોઝિટિવ આયનની આસપાસ how many negative ions છે કે એક નેગેટિવ આયનની આસપાસ how many positive ions છે, we can define. If the radius ratio is between 0.155 to 0.225, listen carefully. Whenever radius ratio is less than 0.155, then it never gives us crystal. In ionic compound, minimum ratio 0.155 હોવો જોઈએ. જો એનાથી લેસ હોય તો ક્યારેય ક્રિસ્ટલ નહીં બને. Whenever radius ratio is lying down between 0.155 to 0.225, એટલે 0.155 થી 0.225 ની વચ્ચે હોય તો coordination number is 3. એટલે 1 positive ion is surrounded by another 3 negative ion. એટલે coordination number 3 આવશે. Trigonal void એટલે એક જ પ્લેનમાં આ ત્રણ સ્ફિયર હોય એની વચ્ચેનો void એ ટ્રાયગોનલ void કહેવાય. એમાં પોઝિટિવ રેડિકલ હોય અને એના સરાઉન્ડેડ 3 નેગેટિવ રેડિકલ હશે. If the radius ratio is between 0.225 to 0.414, 0.225 to 0.414, radius ratio is lying down between 0.225 to 0.414. So, coordination number will be 4, and our positive radical is lying down in the tetrahedral voids. One positive radical is surrounded by 4 negative ions. Coordination number 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. And 4 sphere ની વચ્ચેનો હોલ એટલે tetrahedral voids કહેવાય. When the ratio is between 0.414 to 0.732, 0.4143 0.73 ની વચ્ચે હોય તો coordination number will be 6, and void is octahedral. Void should be octahedral. The one positive radical is surrounded by 6, 5 and behind 6 negative ion surrounded હોય છે. If the radius ratio is more than 0.73, and between 1. So coordination number is 8. Here in the table you can see one by one. Remember and store in mind, if radius ratio, radius of cation positive ion upon radius of anion negative ion is less than 0.155 હોય so it never give crystal. Now store in your mind, lower value is allowed, higher value is not allowed, right? It comes here also. 0.155 થી start થાય up to 0.225, up to એટલે 0.225 નહીં લેવાનું, 0.224 સુધી. So coordination number 3, position of cation in the trigonal we discussed એટલે 3 sphere હોય એની મિડલમાં, એટલે B2 or 3 is the example. It means one boron is surrounded by 3 oxygen like this. B2 or 3. Here one boron surrounded by 3 oxygen. Now 0.2252 to 0.41. Lower value level, higher value level. So coordination number 4, tetrahedron. 1 Zn plus 2 is surrounded by 4 sulfide ion. Now 0.4142 octahedral NaCl, we know 1 Na plus ion is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chloride NaCl. And 6 pn ની વચ્ચેનો word એટલે octahedral 10.732 up to 1, so 8. Body center, yes sir. Here 8 chloride are lying down on the corner of the cube and 1 cesium in middle of the cube, cesium chloride. Solid AB has a example NaCl structure. If the radius of cation is 100 picometer, what will be the maximum radius of anion? Yes, AB having a structure like NaCl. AB assume crystal છે, એનું structure NaCl જેવું છે, means FCC. Coordination number 6. Radius ratio lying down between 0.414 to 0.7032. હવે maximum radius of negative ion. For getting maximum radius of negative ion, so value should be lowest of this. જો R huge હોય તો જ આ value less આવે. R છે small હોય તો આ value high આવે. એટલે આ રેન્જમાં હાઈએસ્ટ વેલ્યુ આની ક્યારે મળે કે આ વેલ્યુ લોઅર હોય તો, એટલે 0.414 we have to take for maximum radius of R minus. એટલે કે NaCl છે નું સ્ટ્રક્ચર FCC છે. કોઓર્ડિનેશન નંબર 6 એટલે ટેબલ ઉપરથી, so 0.414, so 100 upon 0.414 gives negative radius, so 241.54 is our answer. Second question, if the radius of bromide ion is 0.182, bromide ion radius 0.182 છે, how large can a cation be fit in the tetrahedral holes? For tetrahedral voids, the radius ratio should be between 0.2252 to 0.414. A fitted level હોય tetrahedral માં, so radius ratio maximum લેવાનો, એટલે આ fitted હોય એકદમ ફિક્સ તો highest value લેવાનું. So positive ion radical 0.414 into R minus. R minus is given. So 0.0753 is answer. type of structure of the ionic compound. Some ionic compounds having different structures, like in our MCQ, many times word used as a rock salt type structure, means NaCl type. Rock salt is the name of NaCl. Lithium chloride, potassium bromide, rubidium iodide, silver chloride, AgBr, ferrous oxide, calcium oxide. All these having same type of structure like a rock salt. It means one Na plus ion surrounded by 6 Cl minus and one Cl minus surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. So in all the example it is similar. So here coordination number. One positive radical કેટલા negative radical થી surrounded છે તો 6. So one chloride also 6. તો બધામાં 6:6 આવશે. Then cesium chloride. In cesium chloride we discussed one cesium is surrounded by 8 chloride ion. So here coordination number is 8 of cesium. And also chlorine is a corner ઉપર છે 8 unit cell નો sharing હોય એટલે એટલે 8. So calcium sulfide, calcium cyanide having 8:8 called coordination number. Fluoride, calcium fluoride. We will discuss about it in diagram. Calcium fluoride, uranium dioxide, barium chloride, mercury fluoride, N2 fluoride. અહીંયા 8:4 છે. One calcium surrounded by 4 fluoride. Sorry, one calcium surrounded by 8 fluoride. And the coordination number of calcium of the fluorine is 4. Here inverse of it, so antifluoride. And potassium no 4, oxide no 8. Nickel arsenide, nickel cyanide, ferrous sulfide, cobalt sulfide. Rutile is the name of TiO2. Rutile type of structure having MnO2, SnO2. Perovskite, calcium titanate, yes, this one titanate. Barium titanate, strontium titanate. Zinc blend, sphalerite, ZnS, CuCl, CdS, HGS. Zinc blend, ZnS having two structure. આપણે ખબર છે sulfur are two type, rhombic and monoclinic. Like this, ZnS also are two type, wurtzite and zinc blend. Zinc blend having structure. Another example, cuprous chloride, cadmium sulfide, mercury sulfide. Wurtzite having structure ZnS, ZnO, BeO, MnS, AgI. You can see here, if radius of positive ion is 95 picometer and radius of chloride ion is 181, the radius ratio will be 95 upon 181, so 0.524. So 0.524 is lying down between the range of 0.4142 to 0.732. So coordination number is 6 and it should be in octahedral voids. So each chloride is octahedrally surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. Similarly, one sodium ion surrounded by 6 chloride ion. So coordination number in this case 6:6. In the structure of NaCl, you can see this one ZnS, yes, this one NaCl. One Na plus ion surrounded by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One sodium surrounded by 6 chloride. So it is lying down between octahedral voids. One Na plus is surrounded by 6 chloride, and at the corner chloride is a presenter. So we know this one is chloride. So which is also surrounded by 6 Na plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are of another unit cells. So corner is a sharing of 8 unit cell. One chloride is surrounded by 6. So coordination number in here, both cases are 6:6. Now come to the point cesium chloride. In the cesium chloride, what happens actually? We discussed about NaCl. Now we are in the ionic crystal of cesium chloride. In the cesium chloride, radius of cesium ion is 0.169 picometer and of the chloride 181 picometer. The radius ratio of it is 0.934. So it lies between 0.73 and 1. 0.73 more, 1 less. It suggests that our cubic arrangement with coordination number 8. Chloride ion form simple cubic arrangement. Chloride ions are present at all the corners of the cubic unit cell, and chloride ion form a highly opened up cubic site. In order to accommodate the cesium ion at the center of the unit cell, each cesium ion surrounded by 8 chloride and every chloride surrounded by 8 cesium. You can see here one cesium ion is surrounded by 8. All the 8 chloride are lying at corners, and one cesium is lying at the center of the cube. So that is the cesium chloride. So you can see every cesium surrounded by 8 chloride. So coordination number of one cesium is 8. And every chloride is surrounded by 8 cesium. Why? Here on the corner having chloride, which is sharing of 8. 4 ઉપર ના 4 downward. 8 નો sharing માં હોય આ chloride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One chloride also surrounded by 8 cesium. So your radius ratio is 8:8. Yes, effect of temperature and pressure on crystal structure. On any crystal which is ionic, we are increasing pressure. So coordination number will be increases. When we are decreasing pressure and increasing temperature, so coordination number decreases. NaCl actually having 6:6 coordination number. अब बधाने खबर पड़ी गई. One Na plus is surrounded by 6 chloride. One chloride is surrounded by 6 Na plus. Here coordination number ratio 6:6. When we apply high pressure, so it will be change. એટલે NaCl cesium chloride જેવું ના થઈ જાય, cesium chloride ના બની જાય, પણ cesium chloride જેવું it became like a cesium chloride. NaCl is not converting here in cesium chloride. At high temperature 8:8 having ratio became 6:6. This one, high pressure increased the coordination number. On the other end, this compound are rated about 760. The cesium chloride like structure changes to NaCl like structure. એટલે NaCl નું સ્ટ્રક્ચર ને પ્રેશર આપો તો cesium chloride જેવું બને, cesium chloride ને ટેમ્પરેચર આપો તો NaCl જેવું બને. Now structure of zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide is also ionic compound. It is also AB type. AB means one of A ion and one of positive ion, one of negative ion having structure like NaCl, CaCl. આ બધા કેસમાં one positive radical and one negative radical છે. So it is called AB type of structure કહેવાય. Two ions, cation 1, anion 1 are in the ratio 1:1. That is also two type, zinc blende structure. The unit cell of the zinc blende structure shown in figure. The main features of the structure are Zn plus all the sulfide ion. All the Zn plus 2 ion is Zn plus 2 ion surrounded by 4 sulfide ion. So it means that one Zn plus 2 ion is lying down between 4 sulfide ions. You can see Zn is બે ટાઈપના છે, zinc blende and wurtzite. In the zinc blende, all the sulfide having many times asked this question, listen carefully. In the zinc blend, all the sulfide are having FCC structure, means CCP, both are same. બધા સલ્ફર ક્યાં હોય કે કોર્નર ઉપર અને સેન્ટર ઓફ ધી plane. All the sulfides are lying down at the corner of this square and another 6 are lying down on the face center. And Zn plus 2 ion is lying down in the tetrahedral voids. You can see 4 voids ની વચ્ચે, that is a tetrahedral. 1 2 3 અને 4 આ ચારની મિડલમાં એક છે, પણ અલ્ટરનેટ હોય. એના પછીના જે 4 સ્ફિયર છે તો ત્યાં નહીં હોય, અહીંયા હશે. પછી અહીંયા નહીં હોય તો અહીંયા હશે. તો આજે આવા 8 બોક્સ છે, તેમાં અલ્ટરનેટિવલી 4 ટાઈમ્સ હશે, 4 ટાઈમ્સ નહીં હોય. તો Zns in zinc blende પૂછાય તો Zn plus 2 present in a tetrahedral voids. બધા sulfide is arranged in FCC and Zn plus 2 is lying down in the tetrahedral voids alternatively. તો આવા 8 હોવા જોઈએ ને, આવા 8 બોક્સ છે તો ફરક દેખાય છે. એટલે 4 માં હશે, 4 માં નહીં હોય. It has a cubic close-packed arrangement. The sulfide present in the corner of the cube and the center of the face, each face. And each Zn plus 2 is surrounded by tetrahedrali by 4 sulfide ion. And each sulfide ion surrounded by tetrahedrali by 4 Zn plus 2. So coordination ratio 4:4. Radius ratio. Radius of zinc ion 74 picometer. Of sulfide 184. So it is 0.4. So it between 0.2252 to 0.414. So 0.4 is less than 0.414. So coordination number 4. For exact fitting zinc ions, a command highly open of tetrahedral voids provided by sulfide ion. Now listen. Type of ionic compounds. We are in now type of the ionic compounds. So we are first discussing about every type of compound, rock salt, which is the NaCl type. So all the chloride have arrangement FCC. બધા જ chloride છે is arranged FCC. FCC એટલે 8 કોર્નર ઉપર અને 6 ફેસ ના સેન્ટર ઉપર હોય. And Na plus ion occupies all octahedral sites. All the octahedral sites. Yes, this one. Here, red sphere is chloride. In NaCl, all the chloride are lying down at the corner of the cube, and another 6 are at the face center. The chloride ni arrangement FCC થઈ ગઈ. અને Na plus always octahedral voids માં તો આપણે ખબર જ છે આ 6 પેર ની વચ્ચે એનો જે સેન્ટર છે એ octahedral voids છે 1 2 3 4 5 અને 6. પછી એજીસ છે એ પણ octahedral voids છે એટલે એજીસ ઉપર અને ક્યુબ ના સેન્ટર માં Na plus હોય. And 1 Na plus surrounded by 6 and 1 Cl minus also surrounded by 6. So your coordination number is 6:6. Now cesium chloride. Now here every type of brief description is given. Now second table is connected with it. So NaCl type of another structures are. NaCl type na બીજા structures કયા છે? So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium halide, silver fluoride, silver bromide, ammonium chloride, ammonium bromide, all are ionic compound. And here all the every type of structure, the one positive ion and one negative ion. So every type. Here coordination number of all this compound is 6:6, like NaCl. એટલે એક 1 Na plus હોય is surrounded by 6 Cl minus હોય અને 1 Cl minus surrounded by 6 Na plus હોય. Per unit cell, number of molecules of NaCl. આ બધાનો 1 unit cell હોય then per unit cell there are 4 molecules. Now cesium chloride. Yes, every type of structure second is the cesium chloride. There is also one positive ion and one negative ion. We discussed about cesium chloride. All the chlorides are lying down on the corner of the cube. Simple cubic arrangement of chloride, and one cesium ion is lying in the center of the cube. So one cesium surrounded by 8 chloride, and one chloride also surrounded by 8 cesium. You can see. So example of it, cesium chloride like structure, cesium bromide, cesium iodide, thallium chloride, thallium bromide, thallium iodide, thallium cyanide. Coordination number of both 8:8. Here you can see per unit cell molecule is 1. Why? Due to 8 corner 1 chloride ion, and due to 1 center there is 1 positive ion. So 1 molecule is present there. Now AB, yes, third one. AB type structure is a zinc blend, ZnS. There is also 1 positive ion, 1 negative ion. Sulfide ion have FCC arrangement where Zn plus 2 occupies alternate tetrahedral voids. हमने बताया तो थे in the structure of ZnS what happens there in the structure of ZnS? Yes, this one is ZnS. Blue colored sphere are sulfide. At a corner upper you can see sulfide are present in 8 corners and remaining 6 are on the face center. Zn plus 2 is lying in the tetrahedral voids. 1, 2, 4 sulfide na middle માં પણ અહીંયા છે તો આગળના આ ક્યુબમાં નથી, પછી અહીંયા છે તો પાછળ નથી, એટલે અલ્ટરનેટિવલી 4 ઝિંક થાય. ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ છે 8 કોર્નર્સ ના 1/8 એટલે 1 સલ્ફાઇડ. Due to face center 1/6 times 3 sulfide, 4 sulfide ion and 4 Zn plus 2 ion. So per unit cell molecule of ZnS is a 4, and coordination number 1 zinc is surrounded by 4 sulfide and 1 sulfide also surrounded by 4 zinc. So here ZnS type of another structure, cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, cuprous iodide, silver iodide, beryllium sulfide, having 4:4 coordination number per unit cell. You can see molecular 4. Now ionic compound having Ab2 type means 1 positive radical and 2 negative. Otherwise 2 positive and 1 negative. So it is called a Ab2 type ionic compound. Ab2 એટલે બે પોઝિટિવ હોય અને એક નેગેટિવ હોય. અધરવાઇઝ એક પોઝિટિવ અને બે નેગેટિવ હોય તો એને Ab2 type structure કહેવાય. So first one is a fluoride type, calcium fluoride. CCP arrangement of a calcium ion, and fluoride ion occupies all tetrahedral sites. That is called a fluoride type of structure. In the calcium fluoride, coordination number of calcium is 8. 1 calcium ion surrounded by 8 fluoride and 1 fluoride surrounded by 4 calcium. So another example of fluoride type, barium fluoride, barium chloride, strontium chloride, cadmium fluoride and lead fluoride. I am giving you diagram for better understanding the zinc sulfide, zinc blend, yes, calcium fluoride, you can see. This is calcium fluoride. These are calcium. having FCC arrangement એટલે આઠેય કોર્નર ઉપર હોય અને છ ફેસના સેન્ટર ઉપર હોય. So it is the FCC structure. The fluoride are present in every tetrahedral voids. એટલે અહીંયા આ જે ચાર સ્ફિયર છે એની મિડલમાં એક, પછી આ પાછળનો છે એ આ ચારની મિડલમાં એક દેખાય છે. એટલે 1 2 3 અને 4 એટલે every fluoride is surrounded by 4 calcium, but one calcium is surrounded by 8. One fluoride છે 1 2 3 અને 4 માર્ક કર્યું. How many calcium are present? Due to corner 1 and due to face 3, 4 calcium. But fluoride you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 fluoride. So your ratio 4:8. So 1:2. So calcium is 1, fluoride is doubled. In calcium fluoride. હવે આ જે 1 calcium છે is surrounded by કેમ આ 4 up downward. Another છે unit cell એના 4. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 4 8. 1 calcium is this one calcium. 1 2 3 4 fluoride. 4 of upward of another unit cell. So 1 calcium surrounded by 8 fluoride. So that is the AB2 type of structure, and that is a gene blend. Now calcium is surrounded by 8 fluoride and 1 fluoride surrounded by 4 calcium. Now anti-fluoride, the opposite structure of fluoride is called the anti-fluoride. This one CF and calcium 8 of fluoride 4. 8:4 છે ને કોઓર્ડિનેશન નંબર. અહીંયા ઓપોઝિટ આવશે. અહીંયા calcium surrounded by 4 oxide and oxide is surrounded by 8 sodium. Sodium surrounded by 4 oxide and oxide surrounded by like 8:4 તો અહીંયા 4:8 થશે. કેલ્શિયમ એ CCP છે, ઓક્સાઇડ CCP છે એટલે, અને Na+ occupies all tetrahedral voids or sites. So in the structure of Na2O, sodium oxide, this one Na2O. This is Na2O type of structure. Once again, we are taking this Na2O, sodium oxide. Here oxide are on the FCC structure and sodium in the octahedral voids. So one sodium is surrounded by 4 oxide. So coordination number of sodium is here 4. And one oxide is surrounded by 8 sodium. So coordination number of it is 8. 4 of downward, 4 of upward. 4 upper. Another unit cell. 8 थी surrounded by 4 थी. Now here another example of antifluorides: lithium monoxide, potassium monoxide, Li2O, K2O, Na2S, Li2S, K2S. Per unit cell there are also 4 molecules. Now structure of Fe3O4. Ferroferric oxide is considered as a mixed oxide. Fe3O4 is a mixed oxide. It contains a mixture of FeO and Fe2O3. It has an inverse final structure. Actually, O-2 having FCC. So per unit cell oxide will be 4, and we know octahedral voids is similar of the voids the 4, but tetrahedral voids will be double. So what happens in Fe3O4 actually? Here oxide is 4. Clear? Now Fe plus 2 ion present in octahedral void. 1 Fe plus 2 present in octahedral, and 1 Fe plus 3 also present in octahedral, and 1 Fe plus 3 in tetrahedral. So total Fe is 3, oxide 4, so Fe3O4. These are example we discussed about it. Now some word comes in a reference book. For your reference, what is piezoelectricity? When a crystal of dielectrics is subject to mechanical stress, then small magnitude current is produced. It is called the direct piezoelectric effect. કોઈ ક્રિસ્ટલ હોય એમાં કોઈ મિકેનિકલ સ્ટ્રેસ આવે, so it conduct electricity, that is piezoelectricity. Development of charge in some part, એટલે આખા ક્રિસ્ટલમાં નહીં, જ્યાં ડિફેક્ટ આવે ત્યાં કરંટ રાઇઝ થાય. And now example of it, quartz and Rossel salt used in mechanical, electrical transducer, record player, transmission of direct signal, sounding of CD. દરિયાની અંદર સિગ્નલ પકડવા માટે એનો યુઝ થાય છે. Anti-piezoelectricity. In some solid, electric field develops mechanical effect. કેટલાક સોલિડ એવા હોય, ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ ચાર્જ આપો તો mechanical effect આવશે. Crystal suffers elastic deformation in electric field. હવે next, third word is ferroelectricity. Piezoelectric crystal having permanent dipoles, એટલે કે a lone pair electron having molecules in a permanent dipole કહેવાય. There are present permanent dipoles. That property is called ferroelectricity. Anti-ferroelectricity. Dipoles are arranged opposite to each other, so it will be cut by each other, so it should be 0. What is pyroelectricity? Some crystals, when we heat, so it emits electric charge, so that is called pyroelectricity. Use of this type of pyroelectricity is in fire alarm and thermoset. Thermoset means maintain temperature. એવું ક્રિસ્ટલ હોય એનું ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય, એમાંથી કરંટ પાસ થાય, એટલે જે જગ્યાએ આગ લાગે, so whenever fire occurs somewhere in some places, the crystal is present, then it passes current and bell will be, it is connected with bell, and so it gives alarm to maintain temperature in the industries also. Our last point is X-ray diffraction. Bragg equation. Bragg. For finding distance between two crystal. Sorry, to finding distance between two layers of the crystal. જે ક્રિસ્ટલ હોય લેયર્સ હોય છે એ ડિસ્ટન્સ બિટવીન ટુ લેયર્સ ડિફાઇન કરવા માટે ઇક્વેશન વોઝ ગિવન બાય Bragg. You can see we are passing some X-rays. આપણે X-ray પાસ કરીએ. This one is lattice point. So X-ray જ્યાંથી રિફ્લેક્ટ થઈ જાય, reflected from there. Another ray also moves into depth. The second layer થી પાછું આવશે. Third X-ray is returning from the third layers. So distance traveled by second ray is more than first. એટલે પહેલું રે કરતા સેકન્ડ રે કાપેલું ડિસ્ટન્સ મોર છે. એના ઉપરથી we can define distance between the two layers. How? So some mathematical proof need only equation is needed. So distance traveled more by the second ray than first. Incident angle is a theta. You can see here how much travel. Yes, L to N and M to N. આટલું more distance છે. આ બે equal, આ બે equal. તો આટલું more distance travel થયું. લાઈન આ D O L. This is 90 degree. આટલું distance more છે. L N and N M આટલું. This one also theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent. ON. Here ON is D. Distance between two layers. And sin theta is equal to ln. So ln should be d sin theta. ln ln and n both are same. So 2 times ln is equal to sin theta. 2 times. So here d sin theta is ln. ln upon on, sorry. Here d comes here, but these are 2 times. So we are multiplying both sides 2. So distance travel ln 2 times, 1 and 2. એટલે બે બાજુ 2 2 થી multiply. So ln how much ચાલ્યું? તો આજી more portion છે ને wavelength ના multiply by n. So ln is equal to n lambda. So n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta is our Bragg equation. આ equation નો benefit એ છે incident ray, X-ray incident ray is given, lambda wavelength is given. So we can define distance. n એટલે શું? n1 હોય તો distance between first and second layer. n2 હોય તો first અને third વચ્ચે distance. n3 હોય તો 1 અને 4 વચ્ચેનું distance measure કરશે. This is the Bragg equation. OLNN. Clear? OLNNM. Ln plus Nm is distance traveled more by second rate. So per difference I have 2 ln. So per difference n 2 ln is equal to d sin theta. So here 2 ln means n lambda, n times lambda. So 2d sin theta is our Bragg equation. X-ray of having wavelength 1.54 angstrom strikes a crystal and are observed to be deflected angle 22.5. Assuming then n is equal to 1. એટલે કે ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ લેયર વચ્ચેનું ડિસ્ટન્સ ડિરાઈવ કરવું છે. n2 તો 1 અને 3 વચ્ચે. Planes find out the so n lambda 2d sin theta, n is given 1. Lambda 1.54, theta 22.5. So n lambda. So d is equal to n lambda upon 2 sin theta. 1.55 into 1. N is 1. Lambda 1.54. Here 2. Sin 22.5 in table. When we take value 0.383, so 2.01 angstrom. Now last point of the this chapter of the, I told you ZNS having two type of structure. First one, zinc blend, we discussed. In zinc blend, Zn plus 2 occupies a tetrahedral voids and sulfide ion having FCC structure. Wherein Wurtzite, what happens? Sulfide ion having hexagonal close packed structure, and where Zn plus 2 is lying down in tetrahedral voids. Nothing else. An example, zinc oxide, silver iodide, silicon carbide is example of it. Yes, this one is Wurtzite. All the blue sphere you can see is sulfide. Sulfide છે બધા હેક્સાગોનલ ક્લોઝ પેક છે. આ હેક્સાગોનના કોર્નર અને સેન્ટરમાં. અને Zn+2 તે ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ્સમાં છે. So structure of ZNS having also coordination number 4:4. But structure of ZNS of zinc blend and Wurtzite are different. Once again, in the zinc blend, S-2 having FCC structure, Zn+2 in octahedral voids. In Wurtzite, Zn+2 in same octahedral voids, but sulfide ion having HCP, not FCC, but HCP structure. That's a lot difference. Here meet over of chapter 1. Thank you. Bye.